Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about Google AI versus ChatGPT. Google Bird versus ChatGPT, which is the better AI chatbot. Google Bird and ChatGPT are two of the most prominent all chatbots available in 2023. But which is better? Both offer natural language responses to natural language inputs using machine learning and million of data point to craft useful, informative responses. Most of the time these even tools are not perfect yet, but they point to an exciting future of AI assistant search and learning tools that will make information all the more readily available. As similar as these chatbots are, they also have some distinct differences. As how ChatGPT and Google Bird measure uh, up against one another. Are Google Bird and ChatGPT available yet? ChatGPT was first and is many ways in still the go-to option for those looking to experiment with all generated text. First of all, it's readily available for anyone to try out for free. The widespread accessibility from day one is part of what has made ChatGPT such a big hit. Related ChatGPT just created a malware, and that's seriously scary. GPT-4 how to use new features availability and more. New A1 tools could easily lead to 4-day week, expert says. Google Bard, on the other hand, is in the middle of a slow roll out to user in the US and UK. Exclusively. There's a wait list to sign up for. Through there are few easy ways to get to the uh, uh, front of that list. If you are a Google One member, you will automatically get access once you sign up. This is also true for member of the Pixel superfan group. For everyone else, you may still be stuck in line as Google opens up more sports. It should be mentioned that ChatGPT Plus is also available, which costs $20 per month. It has lots of few features, including the ability to access GPT-4, which is open A1 AI is more powerful LLM large language model. You can also gain access to chat to GPT for using Microsoft implementation is being chat. Google Bird versus ChatGPT. What's the differences? ChatGPT and Google Bird are very similar. Natural language AI chatbots, meaning they largely do the same thing. Ask it it questions, or give it some kind of prompt, and it will give you an answer. But the two services have some differences and are designed to be used in slightly different ways. ChatGPT has been used for answering direct questions with direct answer most correctly, but it's caused a lot of consternation among white collar workers like writers, SEO advisors, and copy editors, since it has also demonstrated an impressive ability to write creatively, even if it has faced a few problems with accuracy and plagiarism. Still, Microsoft has integrated ChatGPT into its being search engine to give users the ability to ask direct question of that search engine rather than searching for term of keywords to find the best results. It has also built it into its terms edge entity, which much every Microsoft Office application. You can imagine even the Opera browser as also pledged to integrate ChatGPT in the future. Clearly, ChatGPT as a chatbot is just one example of how it can be used as many more applications access the services through its AP1 and eventually augment the service through ChatGPT plugins. Google Bird on the other is is a stand-alone tool, at least for now. It many someday get integrated into Google search, but for now it exists separately and is not being integrated into other applications. In the future we may see it integrated into the Chrome browser and its Chromium derivatives. Google is also expected to open up Google Bird to third-party developers in the future. But the biggest difference between the two right now is what's happening under the hood. Google Bird uses Google's own Lambda language model, while ChatGPT uses its own GPT 3.5 model. ChatGPT is based on slightly older data restricted in its current GPT-3 model or to data collected prior to 2022, while Google Bird is built on data provided is recent year to. However, that does not necessarily make it more accurate, as Google Bird has faced problems with incorrect answer to questions even in its initial unveiling. Uh, in fact, Google CEO Sundar Pichai recently called Bird a softed uh, software of Savik compared to ChatGPT. There have even been reports that Weird was in part trained on ChatGPT on answer which Google has denied. Alright, guys, that's for today. I will be saying you guys in another video. Then stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Allah Hafiz.